So guys, today I want to actually talk a lot about Memefi, the things you need to do before Snapshot. If not, you're going to lose your account. Okay, so what you need to do is to just relax, watch this video to the end, because I'll also be showing you how to fund your wallet. Even though I'm not going to be funding mine, I will show you the processes you need to go through to fund your wallet. But make sure you watch to the part where I'll be showing you one or two things you should turn on in your Memefi app in order not to lose your wallet, your hard-earned token. Because once Snapshot is taken and you don't turn those things on, you might lose your account. This is for real. Now let's go to the play button. Let's click on the play button. Let's play. For those of you that are not able to access your Memefi, use VPN. Like this morning, use different if you have two different SIM cards from different network, exchange as Nigerians, exchange it to see if it is going to work. But if you're the type that will be patient for network to come up, you can actually be patient. But if you want to log in very fast, because you need to do one or two things, because listing is by the corner, that is if they don't even postpone the listing, okay, you can actually use VPN to access it. Now I'm going to actually click off these things right here. First thing you need to do right here, let me turn on my Autobot. First thing you need to do, remember I said that I am going to be showing how to fund your wallet from Bybit, so you have to watch to the end. Now first thing you need to do is to make sure to turn this thing off. Really important, so that your information will be in their database when they take snapshot. Everything about this account, your account, will be in their database when they take snapshot. If you don't turn this thing on to give them consent, when they take snapshot, you might not be able to be among the people to receive this airdrop. That is what I feel. Okay, now click on this three dots at the top right, and then click on settings. Now when you come here, if your own data collection consent is turned off like this, make sure you turn it on and let it be like this. Let it highlight the green color to show that it is active. Now to give them consent, so that when they take snapshots, your information, the things you've done inside this app, your reward, everything will be showing right there, and your allocation will be calculated as well. And second thing you need to do is to copy your user ID, store it in your notepad, write it down in a hard copy, take notes please. Now the third thing you need to do for me right here is to come down below to your wallet section. If you have not created a wallet, check out the video I made about Memefi, how to create a wallet for Memefi. You'll see the caption and you understand that I was talking about how to create this particular wallet. Watch the detailed guide on how I created the wallet, and you create your own. Exactly after you create it, you'll now find this page. Now second thing you need to do for me in this page is to go to the settings section. Right here you're going to actually see copy to clipboard. This your passphrase, this is your private key. Now you can actually use this private key to import this wallet in any other crypto wallet that is not really the one in the Memefi app. Okay, you can actually use it to import with MetaMask, you can use it to import with Bjet wallet and every other web3 wallet. Okay, now once you come here, you can actually copy this, store it in your notepad. You can actually, private key is a lot. Okay, you can actually copy them down nice. I would advise you to paste it in your clipboard. Okay, your notepad, paste in your notepad. Then after that, you can carefully write them down in a hard copy. Now after you must have copied this, you can actually come here where it says click to review private key to see your private key. Now if I click to confirm, after you click on review, you are going to see the option for passphrase. You also copy that one. Okay, after you copy that one, after you copy your passphrase, store in your notepad and also write it down in a hard copy. Your passphrase is the 12 secret words which they gives you whenever you create a crypto wallet. Now your passphrase and if you can't find your passphrase, maybe you wrote it down somewhere, you forgot where you wrote it down, and you have access to your private key, you can actually use it to import without the passphrase. If you can't find your private key where you wrote it down or where you stored it, as long as you have access to your passphrase, you can actually use your passphrase. These two things can be used, whether passphrase or private key. You can actually use either of them to import back your wallet. Now that is it. So secondly is how to fund your wallet. I will not be funding my wallet, but I will show you the process for those of you that want to add money in Bybit to buy, okay, or in Bjet, any exchange you want to use. But I'll be using Bybit as an example. When you finish watching this video, you use the same experience in Bjet. That is if you're going to be using Bjet. Okay, remember deposit is open for Memefi and Bjet exchange. You can go check it out, and the pre-market is running there as I speak. So let's head over to Bybit. Let me show you. Don't forget to finish up your task. Once I'm done with this video, I'm going to deal with this task right here. Don't forget to finish your task, make use of your turbo. Every single thing that is a bonus right here, make use of them. Okay, so let's go to Bybit. So this is Bybit right here. Now let's say you don't have any money inside here and you want to add up money to buy Ethereum. What you need to do is to go here where it says deposit. Okay, then you click on where it says buy with Nigerian naira. That is for Nigerians. If you're from other country, your country will be shown there actually. So once you're here, you put in the amount you want to buy. As you can see right here, you can buy from 450 naira to 23 million naira. One thing I like about Bybit is that their transaction is low. Like other exchange will tell you that if you don't have up to $10 in your account, you can't transfer out of the exchange, but Bybit transfers anything at all. That is one thing I like about them, and that's the reason why I use them mostly. Okay, so here you can actually put, for example, 2,000 naira. Okay, once you put 2,000 naira, it means that you're going to be getting 1.4 USDT. Remember, Memefi said we need $2. Okay, watch this video to the end. You understand every single thing I'm going to be doing here. I'm not buying, but I'm going to show you the steps. Okay, so now after you must have known how many USDT you'll be getting for 2,000 naira, you can go ahead and put 3,000 naira. 3,000 naira is going to give you 2 USDT, which is the $2 you need for this Memefi. Now, what you need to do for me is to add, make sure you buy it like 3,500 of this, so that when you are making transaction like swapping to Ethereum within the Bybit to transfer to the other side, you'll be having enough gas fee to cover for it. That is just the truth. You can just go ahead and use 5,000 naira and do this, so that anyone that remains is still for your own. It's to your own advantage actually. Now, once you're done, you click on next right here, for example. Okay, click on next. Now, once you click on next, you're going to see where it says bank transfer, cheaper cash. If you have cheaper cash, you can actually do P2P right here. Okay, but if you don't have cheaper cash, you can actually use this one, which they recommend. Okay, see, this one is working. Now it's going to say buy with naira. Okay, buy with naira. Now you click on this one. Okay, now once you click on it, you're going to see pay with bank transfer, price, receive, blah blah blah. Now if you click on confirm, you are going to be paired with somebody that will give you their account number. For example, that would give you their account number to, you know, to pay in the 5,000 naira. I mean 5,000 naira. Once you pay in the 5,000 naira, if you click on confirm right here, okay, you're going to be paid with somebody to, you know, to give somebody that will give you his account number. Now what you need to do is to look for your bank app, transfer the money into the person's account. Once you're done, you come back, you see the option that will say you should click if you have paid. Now you click that you have paid. Okay, once you click that you have paid, let me click on confirm. For example, let me take you to the next page. So it says quotation query failed, please try again. I'm going to click on confirm. Let's click on next, and then I click on buy with naira, and then I click on confirm. Let's see, they are going to pair you with somebody. Okay, you'll be paired with somebody. Now when you're paired with this person, when you come here, what you need to do is you click on pay now. I'm not buying, but I'm trying to show you everything. Once you click on pay now, this is the person's account details. You pay into this account details right here. The name of the person will be showing, the bank account number will be showing, the bank name will be showing, which is open. Now you go there. Okay, what you need to do is to get your phone. Once you get your phone, you transfer this money to the person and make sure that the name that will be showing and the person's when the person receives alert, let's say your name is Blessing, for example, that Blessing should be showing, so that when they check the name and your information in the Bybit, if everything corresponds, like this is the name I have in my bank account. Okay, so once the person sees the name and it's the same name that is showing in the Bybit right here, he or she will know that I have made payments. Now after you must have successfully paid 5,000 to this person, you come here and click on payments completed. Now you follow the options. If the person have received, once you click payment completed, you can actually submit the payment receipt to show that you have completed the payment. If the person have received, the person will now release USDT to you. Guys, I have taken you to the step where the next step that is remaining, it's very simple for you to follow actually. Okay, now once the person receives it, the person is going to release USDT for you. You will now have USDT in your balance. Okay, you will now have USDT in your balance, and it will start reflecting like as you're seeing. Now after your own is reflecting, remember I didn't do any transaction. This money has been here before. I just made it invisible. After you must have received tokens. Now what you will do is to go to the asset section, go to funding. You will see the money will be in funding. Okay, because the person will transfer to you. Now you transfer the USDT to spot by clicking on transfer, and then you come here, you click on spot. Make sure that spot is at the top and funding is below. Now you change whatever coin here that you're seeing there to USDT. After you change it, you click on max, and after clicking on max, you confirm. Once you click on confirm, for example, let's click on confirm. Okay, you will now be taken to a page. Now you will now be taken to this page. Now once you come here, you go to the spot section. You will see that money has left the spot section to funding section. Now if you want to transfer from funding to spot, because you have to transfer from funding to spot in order for you to make transactions, like to swap to ETH. I'm going to transfer again to spot. Okay, from funding to spot, I'm going to click on max, and then I transfer to spot. Now once it is in the spot section, the next thing you need to do is to come here where it says spot. Guys, I hope you understand all these things. Once you come to the spot section, the next thing to do is to click on this icon beside here where it says turn. You see one icon there, click on it. Once you click on it, you will be taken to this page. Once taken to this page, click on and search for ETH. That's Ethereum, right? Now ETH again, click on it, spot. Now what you need to do right here is to buy ETH, right? Is to buy ETH. You're buying, actually, not selling. When you're selling, it actually means you're selling to convert it to USDT. Now you're buying. Now change the limit to market order. If yours is in the limit, change it to market order. Click on market, and once you click on market, click here, drag this thing to the edge. This stuff right here, drag it to the edge like this. Okay, drag it to the edge, which shows you want to sell, you want to buy with every single USD you have, and then you click on buy ETH. Immediately you buy it, automatically ETH is going to be reflecting in your balance. I'm not going to be doing it now because I'm not going to be exchanging it now, because if I exchange it, ETH will go down in price, and that $3 might reduce to $2. You already know that ETH is not a stable coin like USDT. That's why I have the coin stored in USDT. Now after you must have bought it and you see that the transaction was successful, go to assets. Go to assets right here. Don't worry, the day I'll be buying the ETH, I'll still make a video and post, but this video, if you follow it, you will understand everything. Now come back here where it says funding. You're going to find your ETH right in the spot section. Now when you want to transfer to Memefi, click on withdrawal. Okay, now click on, let's say ETH is for example this USDT. Okay, now you have copied your don't worry, what matters is, I don't want to confuse you guys, okay, don't worry, what matters is that you fund your wallet. Once you fund your wallet, your ETH will be here, and what you need to do is to wait for that video when I will be converting my USDT to ETH. Okay, now if you want to actually fund your wallet, don't want to wait for me, that is where you convert your USDT that you just bought. But if you don't want to convert it yet, you want to wait for that video where I'll be making a video a day before the listing. Okay, as long as the exchanges will come up and say they are listing Memefi on their platform on so date, that will make me confirm that truly this project is listing. Then I can go ahead on the 8th of October. I will go ahead to fund my wallet. You see how I'm going to use this USDT that is in my balance to buy ETH, and how I'm going to transfer it into my Memefi wallet. Okay, so guys, I hope this helps you out. And remember when I said, when you transfer money to the person will sell the USDT for you. It will reflect. Okay, make sure you show them the screenshot of your transaction for them, and make sure that the bank account you're using to make this transaction have the same name which your Bybit account has. I know that when you were doing your KYC with Bybit, you submitted the right name from your national ID card, which means it automatically means that the same name in your national ID card which you used for Bybit registration is going to be your bank account, so that it will be easy for the person to verify that you are the one that paid, because these people have tons of transaction coming for them. Okay, so that they'll be able to differentiate you and send you your USDT. I hope you find this really interesting. Okay, see you guys in my next video. If you have any question, the comment section is open, put it right in there. I will answer with a video. See you guys.